Day 25, a nice short and sweet solo by Bird on tenor. Ooh. Sounding great on tenor, Bird. All right, here we go. Like ornamentation there and an enclosure. Even though it's only 8 bars, there are so many golden nuggets to take from this solo. Right? It's a beautiful line. Bird on tenor, not so common, kind of like train on alto. Whew, beautiful. He's using a lot of major sevenths. He's using a lot of enclosures. He's using a lot of ornamentation. So listen for those things that are very familiar to your ear, and hold on to those and see how you can use them into your own solo. All right? Have fun with this one. Short and sweet. You can definitely do this in 30 minutes or less. I know you can. I believe in you. 25 days of Bird. Got 5 days left. I'll see you tomorrow. Later.